Why Japanese brands? In the American used car market, Japanese brands Toyota, Honda, Mazda, and Subaru consistently maintain their unrivaled position in terms of reliability, fuel economy, and longevity. It's possible to find low-mileage, well-maintained examples from the 2015 to 2020 model year range for a budget of $15,000. A common advantage of these brands is that, with proper maintenance, they can run trouble-free for over 300,000 miles. 1. Toyota Camry 2015 to 2018. Price range: $11,000 to $15,000. One of the best-selling sedans in the US, the Camry stands out with its 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and proven reliability. Examples with 80,000 to 130,000 miles are available in this price range. Maintenance costs are extremely low, and spare parts are readily available. Key features: reliability, family car, fuel economy 2. Honda Civic, 2016 to 2019. Price range: $12,000 to $15,000. The 10th generation Civic, completely redesigned in 2016, made a huge leap in both design and technology. The 1.5-liter turbocharged versions offer a balance of speed and economy. Insurance costs are low, and Honda's reliability record is outstanding. Key features: fuel economy, reliability, sporty 3. Toyota Prius, 2015 to 2018. Price range: $10,000 to $14,000. An ideal choice for those who want to minimize fuel costs. Capable of getting 50-plus miles per gallon, approximately 21 kilometers per liter, in city driving, the Prius's hybrid batteries generally function flawlessly in this age range. Many well-maintained examples from Uber/Lyft drivers can be found on the market. Key features: hybrid, fuel champion, reliability. 4. Honda CR-V 2015 to 2017. Price range: $12,000 to $15,000. One of the most reliable names in the compact SUV category, the CR-V is a perfect choice for families with its spacious interior and versatile design. AWD versions provide superior road handling in snow and rain. Honda's updated naturally aspirated engines are trouble-free. Key features: family SUV, reliability. AWD5. Mazda 3, 2017 to 2020. Price range: $11,000 to $15,000. Combining a premium feel with a budget-friendly price tag, the Mazda 3 is one of the models with the best driving dynamics in its class. Skyactiv technology balances both performance and economy. The interior quality is far above its price segment. Some users compare the Mazda 3 to a mini Audi. Key features: driving pleasure, premium feel. Skyactiv 6. Subaru Outback, 2014 to 2017. Price range: $11,000 to $15,000. An almost indispensable vehicle for mountainous regions and snowy states, such as Colorado, Utah, Vermont. The Outback stands out with its standard symmetrical AWD system and high suspension. The 2.5-liter Boxer engine can run smoothly for over 200,000 miles. It offers ample cargo space suitable for camping and outdoor lifestyles. Key features: AWD standard, outdoor, long lifespan. 7. Toyota RAV4 2014 to 2016. Price range: $12,000 to $15,000. One of America's best-selling SUV models, the RAV4 always retains its value with its practical design and Toyota's legendary reliability. Models in this age range come with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Examples with 100,000 to 140,000 miles can easily reach 250,000 miles without any problems. Key features: Toyota Assurance, family SUV, fuel economy. 8. Lexus is 250/300, 2012 to 2015. Price range: $12,000 to $15,000. For those who want to experience a luxury brand with a budget of $15,000, the Lexus IS series offers an attractive option. Combining Toyota's legacy of reliability with a luxurious interior and RWD, The IS can be purchased at a much more affordable price than its original price. Maintenance costs can be kept affordable with Toyota genuine spare parts. Key features: luxury brand, RWD Sporty, Toyota platform. Buying tip: before buying any vehicle, always check the Carfax or AutoCheck report. Choose examples with no accident history, single owner, and regular service records. Having a pre-purchase inspection, PPY, done by an independent mechanic costs $100 to $200, but it will definitely save you thousands of dollars in surprise expenses. Use Car Gurus, Cars.com, and Facebook Marketplace in parallel for price comparison. Which model offers the best value? Considering all usage needs, the Toyota Camry and Honda Civic offer the most balanced choices. For those looking for a large family or SUV, the Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V stand out. If driving pleasure is a priority, the Mazda 3. For snowy regions and outdoor activities, the Subaru Outback. For near-zero fuel costs, the Toyota Prius. And for a luxury brand experience, the Lexus IS are sensible choices. A common advantage of Japanese brands is this: a car you buy for $15,000 can easily reach 300,000 miles if you maintain it properly. Enjoy your drives. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.